with us again?
Listen carefully, everybody. If I say tea, say comes tea. Tea. Then you please remain seated until the teacups are fully stopped. Now that they fully stopped, please let go. Gather all your personal belongings in your little one's feet. Watch your step hands to the green and smiling also much fun.
Remain seated until your teacup comes to a stop, then walk to the nearest exit. Bye-bye!
Listen up, sugar cubes. If I say tea, you say cups. Tea. Tea. Thank you. Please remain seated until your teacups are fully stopped. Alrighty, my friends. Now that you're listening, please watch your step. Go to your nearest green exit gates by the Alice in Wonderland attraction. Please watch your step. Gather your belongings and your little ones. Have a wonderful night.
Just swing your teacup